Actually, we came in a car and a bike. We are 9 members. Arvindana got married, so his wife Vishali is also there with us. So for the comfort, we came in bike. So 112, it is 12 o'clock. So it's 25 degrees, man. I was like kind of feeling so happy and so pleased to come to Ooty as well.
For more videos, please do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified for upcoming videos.
Bye. போங்கடா சதீஷ் வாங்க
வாங்க சொல்லிட்டு போயினே இருக்கீங்க. நான் பின்னாடியே வரேன். Just a second, bro.
Okay.
Nice, bro.
Yes, bro. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Madhav and good morning from Ooty. So actually this is the second trip we are all going to be done. So we came as a group, but we are like nearly some 9 members. Actually, we came in a car and a bike. We are 9 members. Arvindana got married, so his wife Vishali is also there with us. So for the comfort, we came in bike. We drove overnight to reach Ooty. So that's why I didn't done any motor vlog and all. For that overnight we came and we stayed in some spot for changing and dressing. But now we are going for a villa which we had already booked. So we are going there now to that villa. It was showing somewhere around 6 kilometers from the location. So I thought to do a vlog and you guys can also enjoy the beautiful view of the Ooty cities. The checkpost officer, they said we don't allow 2-wheelers after 12 o'clock because of some safety issues. So they allowed the car. The car came to hit top peak of the mountain at somewhere around 2:30 by the time they came. But me and William, we stuck down because my pillion is William. So we are going, we came in morning. Actually, if you need to see the morning view, is oh my god, it's too good. The Kunnur and Ooty view, it was too good in the morning. But since I don't have any camera with me, I didn't shoot the video. But I had shot some photos. But it won't be good, I think so, because I was not having any iPhone. I was having some budget friendly Android mobile. In that mobile, if I shoot some photos also, it will be good, but it won't be that much clarity as compared to the GoPros or iPhones. So last time at Nilgiri, we didn't show the room tour properly. Like while entering into the room, we need to show the room tour, but it was not happened because of fun activities and we are hungry, as I said in the previous vlog. So this time I'm going earlier before them and I'll show you the room tour. You guys enjoy the view until then. So this is the nice time you can see the city of Ooty. Man, the chillness is here awesome actually. I had came in morning, so if you see my bike temperature is 25 here, but morning my bike temperature is 9 degrees. So you can expect how much cooling it is. And one more thing, if you're coming on bikes, if you wanted to travel in the early in the morning, so I'm sincerely requesting you guys to wear warm clothes and warm blouses. If you're wearing a riding gear, it's a good one, but still wear something warm underneath. It will be a good thing, because since morning me and William, we are coming, we can't able to control the bike levers and all, because if you see my hand, it's totally red. Actually it is swollen. I can't able to open the blouses at all. So I stopped the driving and I put my hands near to the engine. So because of some heat, my hands got relaxed, and the numbness is also gone. So then only I can able to drive to the place where Dinesh Pro and the gang is going to was staying. Now how many? Sarish, how many kilometers?
4.3.
4.3 kilometers. You guys can see the villa. We booked a good one actually this time. Yeah, Nilgiri is a good one, but in Ooty, one of the best villa we booked it. It costed around 25,000. The cost details will be given in the end of the vlogs. I hope you are enjoying the view. Oh, how many curves are there, man? Actually, Ooty is also one of my dream place. I wanted to go on bike. So today it happened, man. But I was not only me, even my group is not satisfied because we planned late and we just got into this thing, Ooty. And we one night travel and all without sleepless drives and all. This is kind of a headache thing, but it's worth. By seeing the scenery and the view here, it's worth. I'm saying. Still, the engine is 25 degrees. If you guys see my engine temperature in Chennai, by this time it will be somewhere around 40 degrees. But now here it is somewhere around 25 degrees. You can imagine, and this is not morning, it's afternoon, 1:12. So 1:12, it is 12 o'clock, so it's 25 degrees, man. I was like kind of feeling so happy and so pleased to come to Ooty as well. See how beautiful it is, how beautifully the mountains and how beautifully they are growing the fields on mountains. Wow. Seriously, in this month, oh, see how beautiful it is. There also, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Oh. So in 300 meters, we are going to take right. What Google is saying to us.
Bro,
Yes.
when you can't run to the day, bro, what can I do, bro?
When?
Bro,
Yesterday, right?
next day, illa.
Huh?
I asking you.
Okay.
An elephant
Uh-huh.
suddenly stand there. What do you do, bro?
Actually, yeah. Sorry, guys, I forgot to tell. Actually, yesterday night we are yet to start, but the elephant is standing in the middle of the road. Actually, yesterday the elephant is standing in the middle of the road
Where?
while entering into Kodaikanal. Ooty, bro. Elephant is standing in the middle of the road. Actually, yesterday. By 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock in the night, we can't able to shoot. I thought to shoot it with William's phone. But the clarity is, and his charging is also not there, and it's also gone totally. What to say? Dead, and the phone is totally dead, and the clarity is also not there. But if you believe me or not, an elephant is standing in between the road and seeing towards the check post.
You both are run away, va?
No. We are trying to enter into the check post. Okay. After entering in the check post, we came for 1 kilometer up above the hill. So again, police they stopped us and they sent us back. They are saying, see sir, there is an elephant, and they showed pointed some kind of torch. So in that thing now we had seen the trunk. So in the trunk we came to know there's a elephant. Wow. This is the villa we are going to stay. Oh.
Just a second.
Will this stand? Will this stand? Yeah, this should stand. So guys, you can see how the view is beautiful here. So we can have a campfire here, campfire there, and we are sitting here. This is the private villa we booked actually. I think he is the coordinator. Sir, reception ஆனீங்களா? ஓகே, அது எங்கள் குரூப்பு ஒரு ரூம் புக் பண்ணிட்டா 9 மெம்பர்ஸ்க்கு. வில்லியம். ஆமாம். ரூம் கீஸ் கொடுக்க முடியுமா?
செக்இன் பண்ணு, பேமெண்ட் பண்ணு, இல்லை வந்து தான் சரி. ஓகே.
செக்இன் பண்ணி பேமெண்ட் பண்ண முடியுமா?
செக்இன் பண்ணிட்டு பேமெண்ட் வாங்கிட்டு
ஓகே. சார், ரூம் டூர் மட்டும் பண்ண முடியுமா?
ஒரு செகண்ட் அண்ணா, அவர் எடுத்து கொடுப்பா.
So they are saying we need to pay, and then only they will give the check-in keys. I will request them for a quick room tour. So we got the keys now. We are entering into the villa. Actually now I put the ND filters. While entering I'll remove the ND filters because it will be a closed area only. So I'll remove the ND filters. Awesome guys, literally awesome. This is the entrance. This is the front office and reception, and I will park my bike here nearby. Okay, one second. Light on. Just wait, I will turn on the lights and all. Similar only, they are saying that there is no change, everything is fine. If everything is similar, right, definitely I need to change and I need to change and I need to go outside. So actually it's literally what, man? I forgot my phone and power bank, which is there here. You guys, hey! She lost her teeth.
I'm not completely lost. Small bit.
Guys, he is not a vlogger, he is a disturbance.
Bro, we'll ask Satish to stand there. There. And we push.
Down,
You will roll.
neck and all.
So if you watch this video or whatsoever reason you enjoyed it, so do
Like,
share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon to get notified for more videos. This is Savi Madhav signing off.